In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert metric units of measurement. In the first example, we're going to convert 17 hectograms to grams. To use the metric measurement table, we're going to drag the word start over the area where hecto is to represent that we're starting with hectogram, and then we're going to move the stop word over the basic unit because gram is the basic unit for measuring mass and weight. Because the metric system uses a base 10 system, each place on the metric measurement table is 10 times greater than the place on its right or 10 times less than the place on its left. When we start at hectogram, we're moving 2 places to the right on the metric measurement table, each one increasing by 10 times, or 1 power of 10. Since we're moving 2 places, we're multiplying the number of hectograms by 2 powers of 10, or 100. When converting from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, you always multiply. So 17 hectograms multiplied by 100 is 1,700 grams. In the second example, we're converting 45 2/10 centiliters to decaliters. Drag start over centi on the metric measurement table, and then drag stop over to deca on the table. This time we're converting a smaller unit to a bigger unit, and any time that we do this, we're going to divide. So every time we move a place to the left on the metric measurement table, we're going to divide by a power of 10. So altogether, we are dividing by 3 powers of 10, or 1,000. You can either shift all of the digits in the number to the right in a place value chart, or you can take the decimal point and move it 3 places to the left, which decreases the value of each digit by 3 powers of 10, or 1,000. So 45 2/10 centiliters converts to 452 10,000ths of a deciliter. In the third example, we're going to convert 7 8/10 kilometers to meters. Drag the word start over to kilo in the metric measurement table, and then drag the word stop over to the basic unit because meters, liters, and grams are the basic units of measurement. Since we're converting a bigger unit of measurement to a smaller unit of measurement, we are going to be multiplying our number by powers of 10. We're moving 3 places in the metric measurement table, so we're going to be multiplying 7 8/10 by 3 powers of 10, or 1,000. To do this, you can either take all of the digits of 7 8/10 and shift them to the left in a place value chart, or you can take the decimal point in 7 8/10 and move it to the right 3 places, which will increase each digit 3 powers of 10. So 7 8/10 kilometers converts to 7,800 meters. In the fourth example, we're converting 35 decimeters to hectometers. Drag start over deci in the metric measurement table, and drag stop over hecto. We're converting from a smaller unit to a bigger unit, so we're dividing by powers of 10, and we are moving 3 places on the metric measurement table. So we're dividing by 3 powers of 10, or dividing by 1,000. You can either shift each digit in the number 35, 3 powers of 10 to the right in a place value chart to decrease their value by 1,000 times, or you can take the decimal point in 35, which is to the right of the 5, and you can move it to the left 3 times. Remember to fill any spaces between the decimal point and the digits with a 0. So 35 decimeters converts to 35 thousandths of a hectometer. The fifth and final example is a word problem. Alexei drove 4 9/10 kilometers to the grocery store. How many decameters did he drive? We're starting with kilometers, so we're going to drag start over kilo, and we're stopping at decameters, so we're going to drag stop over deca. We're converting a bigger unit to a smaller unit, so we're going to be multiplying by powers of 10, and we are moving 2 places in our metric measurement table. So we're going to be multiplying our number by 2 powers of 10, or 100. Again, you could either shift the digits in 4 9/10 2 places to the left to increase their value, or you can take the decimal point in 4 9/10 and move it to the right 2 places. This increases the value of each digit by 2 powers of 10. So 4 9/10 kilometers converts to 490 decameters.